Hello and welcome to a quick video explaining how to log on to your Khan Academy account. So if you want to go straight to Khan Academy, all you have to do is go to Google and look up Khan Academy. The very first link that pops up, that's the one that you should press. Now, when you arrive at the website, on the top right hand side, there's a button that says login. Press that, and then go ahead and press continue with Google. Now, your email address should pop up, your ID at mbnautilussharks.org. It should pop up if you used a computer before. But if you haven't used a computer before, just go ahead and write in your ID. So let's say your ID is 12345. You do 12345 at mbnautilussharks.org, something like that. Okay? And if you ever forget what the MB Nautilus Sharks is, you can just, again, go to Google and look up Miami Beach Nautilus middle. Just by looking up the middle school, the very first link that comes up is the school website, MB Nautilus Sharks. That's your login handle. So, once again, we're going to go ahead and continue with Google. Now we're going to log in. We're going to choose our correct account, and we're going to log in. And voila, here you're logged onto your student account. Now, when you're logged onto your student account, if you want to access your courses independently, you go on the top left-hand side to courses, you navigate to whatever course you want to access, and then you can go ahead and find whatever assignment or set of assignments you're working on, and you can go ahead and work on whatever video or assignment you want to. Or, let's go back to our home. When you log in, if you've been given an assignment, the assignment will pop up automatically. So here you can see you have an assignment, add within 20 visually, due by Friday at 9 a.m. Okay, fine, let's go ahead and start it. So you can go ahead and press start, and let's go ahead and let's do our best. So, okay, just gonna go ahead and do these. Fairly easy assignment, obviously. But now, let's pretend on the last one, for whatever reason, we make a mistake. You got it wrong. That's okay, it's not the end of the world. Notice, if you didn't understand this, you could always click where it says Get Help. Khan Academy gives you a step-by-step explanation of the answer, in color and with pictures sometimes. And if you still don't understand it, on the bottom, Khan Academy gives you links to different videos to help you understand. Okay? Let's say that you get it now and you go ahead and you correct your mistake. So, it's going to be 15. You click Done. Alright, notice here you have an 86% because you got 6 out of 7 questions right. Well, guess what? You can try again. You can try as many times as you want to get the best score possible, and I will only grade the best score. So if you do it again, as you can see, now you improved and you have 100%. And that's okay. You can try as many different times as you need to get the highest score possible on Khan Academy. And notice Khan Academy has an active tab and a past tab. So right now, this assignment is due by Friday at 9 a.m. I just finished it. But if I go ahead and I check my past assignments, oh damn, there was this assignment that I had to do, add within 20, and I didn't do it. Okay, so you know what? I should probably go back and do that. You can access past assignments, and you can work on those too. So if you go ahead and give it a shot, voila. You can say that you're done with the assignment. You should always try and do late assignments. I usually do not grade late assignments unless there's a special circumstance, but if you ever want extra credit in my class, it really helps to have done your late assignments. And that's pretty much it. That's how Khan Academy works. One last thing that I will try and make sure you guys understand. If you are going from Google Classroom, if you log onto your Google Classroom, you log in, you're looking for classwork. Oh, look, there it is, Khan Academy, add within 20. When you go ahead and click the button to take you straight to the Khan Academy assignment, please always make sure on the top right-hand side that you're logged in. If you see the word login, that means you're not logged in. So go ahead and click it. Again, continue with Google. Click or enter your Nautilus email. And now, when you see your name or your ID number, this means you're logged in. Please don't complete work when you're not logged in, otherwise it won't save your progress and it won't count. And that's all. I hope this video helps.